buildings were super reinforced with cast iron and steel and brick. The other was in the Monsters Inc., the factory. We really wanted it to look like it was a working factory. We tried to communicate in the factory design itself that there were areas for the executives and for the union workers and for the people that clean up. So each character had its sort of home base.
And I think that's what makes it so special, this world, because it's believable. Everything that we do as far as the story, the characters, and the world, it's believable to the audience.
So it's all those little details that we thought up that really make this world a really rich, exciting one to look at again and again.
Hi, we're here in the animation area. This is where the animators work. They're the people, they're basically the actors of this whole process, and they're the ones that create those memorable performances that you see on the screen.
What you're going to see next is a progression of one shot as it goes from story reels, then to layout, animation, final shaders, and lighting. We start with hand-drawn drawings by somebody's hand, Bob Peterson in this case, and we're going to see them for the first time in a story reel and see how the whole scene times out.
We're rehearsing a scene for the upcoming company play called Put That Thing Back Where It Came From, or So Help Me. It's a musical. Yeah, put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. So help me, and cut.
Once we're happy with the story reels, we move on into layout. That's where we determine the compositions and the visual structure of the movie. We work with little virtual sets with a virtual camera, and we figure out how the camera's going to move and basically do everything that we can to make the film very visually dynamic.
So help me, and cut.
This part of the progression reel, I'm going to talk a little bit about animation. Layout basically provide us with a blueprint of how the shot will go. What we're concerned with is bringing the characters to life. First thing we do is we listen to the dialogue